The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has distanced itself from allegations linking its members to the recruitment of South African men to fight in the Russia and Ukraine war. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, the party claims it's a Dudu matter, implying the issues solely involves Duduzile Zuma Sambudla, who is a member of parliament representing the MK party and also daughter to the former South African president Jacob Zuma. Now, Zuma Sambudla is being investigated for allegedly luring 17 South African men to Russia with promises of security training jobs, only to be handed over to a Russian mercenary group and forced to fight in the war. Now, these men are aged between 20 and 39, were reportedly promised lucrative employment contracts within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Now, the South African government has also launched diplomatic efforts to repatriate the men, with Foreign Minister Ronald Lamola stating they are working with Russia and Ukraine to secure their safe return, and the police are investigating allegations of human trafficking and other crimes. Now, Zuma Sambudla is currently on trial for unrelated charges related to deadly riots in South Africa in 2021. Her involvement in the alleged recruitment scheme has sparked controversy, with calls for her to be held accountable. Now, an affidavit filed by Zuma Sambudla's sister, Nkosazana Bonganini Zuma Mncube, alleges Zuma Sambudla and two others were involved in the recruitment. Now, these men who were sent to fight in a war between Russia and Ukraine have also reached out to the South African government, and they claimed they are trapped in a Ukraine's war-torn eastern Donbas region. The authorities are working to secure the safe return of these South African men. Now, the question is, should the MK party also distance itself from the daughter of Jacob Zuma, Duduzile Zuma Sambudla? What are your thoughts?